about real estate investments, we talk about investing in housing vis-a-vis buying plots of land. There is a prevailing thought that plots of land are better and affordable than housing, which will mostly never appreciate. What's the difference?
Land and commercial property and residential property, these are all avenues for investing. Land gives you highest risk, highest return. So when land appreciate, it gives you crazy amount of returns, but there's a crazy amount of risk in land. A lot of craziness in land because in financial terms, land is called an alligator. Why I say alligator? It's like a white elephant. You have to only invest and spend a lot of operating expense on it just to maintain it and wait for that golden opportunity when after like 15-20 years when you get an exponential price. It's quite possible that the land which you have bought after 15 years nobody is interested in that land, or maybe government takes it and at a very ridiculous price, or somebody might even steal the land from you. So there's a lot of operational risk, a lot of legal risk, a lot of future risk, plus there is no cash flows which happen in between. See, these are all amazing avenues for if you are super HNI, when you can afford to have something in land, something in residential estate, something in gold, equity, mutual. If you are super HNI, do all this stuff. Okay, but if you are a moderate investor with moderate income, then don't even think about these avenues, because one big mistake of having a bulk of your investment into land, the corpus is gone if something goes wrong.
Thank you.
There are many people I know in Bombay and Delhi and even in Chennai where they have bought properties, under constructed properties. It's been 7, 8, 10 years. The property is not even started. One wrong investment and they have just gone 10 years, 15 years back in life.